Good morning, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into PPAI stock. So right now we are on weekly stock after earnings, and we want to see what is going on, where we'll be heading, because the stock it went down, I think more than 20%, and why are we are approaching this support around. You see this line I draw over here, we are approaching. So earnings always, guys, always very volatile, either to go upside or to go downside. But there is something I knew before I sold my BBAI. So I sold BBAI around $7. Yeah, I sold $7 1 month ago, because this is the reason why I sold my stock. So if you think about PPAI, this stock it rocket from $2 to almost $9, and I told people we are approaching that. You see these red clouds here, that's where a lot of smart money took the profit. Remember, that's almost 400% from $2 to $9. In fact, that is almost 450%. That's a lot of money, profit, and people are taking profit. And when you see PPAI, this is a simple scenario that I'm using always about PPAI and Soun. When Soun is skyrocketing, PPAI is all going down. And I'm going to show you those similarities right now over here. Why? So let's start BPAI. PPAI rocket from June. So this is where things get started around May. From May to July and the mid of this August, PPAI was killing it. And that when PPAI was killing it, let's see what Soun was doing it. The same period of time on, you see, it was okay, it was on a certain uptrend, but it didn't move that percent. It was consolidated between $7 and $9. So you see that it was only uptrend for $1 for 3 months. Okay, but what happened on PPI on Friday? On Friday or on Thursday, okay, let's say on Thursday evening, Soun it has on earnings, and Soun rocket. But again, we are now on the highest resistance, which is called equilibrium. Equilibrium, guys, is always everything. If we break above that $17, we are going to run into $43. This thing, guys, I didn't expect it to run like this, and because Soun right now I don't have any position, even though I sold my PBAI and buying some other stocks. So I'll be rotating between PBAI and Soun. So I'm watching now Soun. If Soun, if this equilibrium would break, we are going all the way to another premium. Now equilibrium is telling you to balance. If it's break upside, it's going to be parabolic, and premium is always telling you that one you will not, that is the highest point you can hit. So Soun from $15 now to $25, which is very easy, and maybe I'm waiting to cool that down, because this thing will not take 1 day to all the way to $25. So you may be consolidating around this area around $15. And now let's jump in now into PPAI. So I've already showed you that similarities, like when PPAI moved from $2 to $9, Soun was consolidating. Right now, remember, we reach on premium. So remember, whenever you hit on premium, it's always the time for consultation, and you see us coming down. So where would I go to start now buying my BBI? BBI, we are going to buy BBI around $4, and I've already told you that this equilibrium right now. Remember, we didn't hold this equilibrium. Remember, equilibrium, which was balancing, it was around 6.5. Remember, earnings today, stock came down like $2. $2 is a lot, and that's almost 25%. I don't know how many percentage. And guys, what would I go to tell you? Not I wish you well, and if you own a BBI stock, this is the wrong time to sell, so you can hold it. And if it's me, I will hold it because it's already too late to sell it. You see that one? You see, we are going all the way to that between $4 and 3.5, where we'll be seeing some highest demand on the PPAI. Remember, guys, I'm not financial advice. This is always take predictions, and always my prediction always is not correct. That's why it's good for everyone to do your own diligence, do your own research, use your own tactics. Markets right now is very, very, very bullish, or it's already overpaid. Guys, thank you so much, and see you on next video on other stocks and coins. And I'm watching Chief AI. I don't know why I like Chief AI. We don't have a lot of use of GAI right now, but in future news will come, and this one day will skyrocket like 500%, because this one's supposed to be more